Hi, this is Paul with Promisec, and in this short video, we're going to walk you through an SCCM use case. Simply, the video is going to outline for SCCM users and enterprise managers the ability to go out and audit your deployment of the SCCM agent and WMI. We will be able to go out, see if the agent is deployed. Number two, we're going to make sure that the associated process that SCCM uses, WMI, is working as well. We do have a short white paper on it that walks you through the three use cases. Very simple read and very informative of how you can complement an SCCM deployment. One key thing that we want to position here is that we are not a rip and replace solution for SCCM. SCCM is an enterprise tool that works excellent in large scale enterprises. However, as we all know, endpoints can be compromised, either by users, by conflicts, or as the example use case is, WMI not working. Let's take a look at the Promisec solution now and how this is accomplished. Very simply, this is the Promisec Endpoint Manager console. We have sentries deployed worldwide. A sentry supports anywhere from 5 to 15,000 endpoints, depending on network performance and traffic, of course. And assigned to those are configurations that are targeting different endpoints for different queries. In this one that we have defined here, the SCCM agent check, we're going to check to make sure that the SCCM agent is installed, its associated process is running, and more importantly, WMI is operational on that endpoint as well. Here we can see we've already predefined these checks with the Promisec Endpoint Manager. And as I bring this up, you will see that we've got them defined. Here's the SCCM one, and if it's found in a disabled state, we'll set it back to automatic and restart the process, all at the point of inspection, which is unobtrusive to the users in the enterprise. This also includes WMI. As you can see here, we can repair the service as well. Very, very simple. After we run the inspection or the audit to make sure that the SCCM agent is optimized, we're going to come over here to our console results. Here you can see lots of information is coming into the Promisec solution. As a matter of fact, here we can see we found that Microsoft BitLocker, the service state is stopped and set to manual. Now, Promisec, if part of your policy is to, as you find these things, repair them, you can just simply repair the service. Promisec's already pre-built over 36 different filters for you, which you can modify, add, or delete from what you need. And in this use case, we made one just for the SCCM endpoint check. So you don't have to do any complex querying and how am I going to write that syntax to get into a SQL database and get that information. We've developed that all for you, so your workflow is very simple and reduce the amount of administrator time in the console. Here you can see we found quite a few machines that don't have it installed in the inspection we just did. And at the same time, we found out that WMI, Windows Management, wasn't running. So what we did at the point of inspection is we repaired it and started and set it back to automatic. So there was no user or operator intervention that needed to happen. Now, if you find that you have a couple computers out there that don't have the agent installed, you can do two things. You can do right-click remediation, which you can install the software. You can browse out to the the MSI, the executable, or the MSU, and click and have it go out. And this also supports different install directories as well. But what we like to say at Promisec is that we don't want to make you a console operator, so we can do an automation task, and this includes deploying the SCCM agent. So as you can see here, we've got the task already defined. We are going to roll out the executable to install the agent, and at the same time, we're going to pass a parameter that it can install itself, and then it can phone home after the agent comes back alive. And two, the more important is that we can schedule these things. So when user community goes home, we can follow change management and roll anything out that we want to, or uninstall anything that's out there. We even support scripting, VBS scripting and command line syntaxes as needed to do the agent install. So again, just wanted to take a few minutes and walk through the power of Promisec and what it can do for you. If you have any further questions, please contact us at sales@promisec.com or support@promisec.com. Thanks for listening, and stay tuned for more instructional videos from Promisec. Thanks.